I heard you got your report card today. Come here.
Coming, mother.
Come on, baby, let me see. Let's read this. Ah, a Z minus. No child of mine will be a failure under my roof. Get out now. Tasha leaves the house in fear of mother beating her. While she runs away, something unspeakable happens. Tasha gets struck by lightning and has a seizure and dies. Tasha, my sweet baby Rays. My sweet baby Rays. I'm so sorry. You tried your hardest and that's all that's mattered. I wish I could bring you back alive.
I'm alive!
So you see, kicking your child out during a thunderstorm will get them struck and get them killed. So make sure when they get a Z minus on their homework to give them a big hug instead of tearing them down.
Also, I don't know. Wait. No, delete that.
You don't know?
Something.
Just like you
No,
didn't know on
you-
that
no.
report card.